Replace judgment with discernment. The Pleiadians say in the book Remembering Who We Are that in order to heal, you must learn the difference between discernment and judgment. We repeat that discernment is simply noticing that differences exist, while judgment attaches emotions through your belief systems to the differences you perceive. Discernment becomes judgment when an emotional reaction to something challenges your beliefs. My advice: drop all beliefs. Beliefs are fixed perspectives that limit conscious awareness of others. People are not fixed, so why waste energy on judging? If you judge people, you have no time to love people, as Mother Teresa says. Recommended reading is the book Remembering Who We Are, Larkma's Guidance on Healing the Human Condition, available on Amazon. God bless you all, my brothers and sisters. Namaste, my brothers and sisters.